You think you know ChatGPT? Think again. Here are 21 unusual ways people are using it right now. I guarantee you'll want to steal at least 5. Most people are just using it to write emails or do their homework. That's like using a supercar to drive to the mailbox. This tool is so much more powerful than you can imagine. Hacks that will save you thousands in legal fees, make you a genius in the office, and help you prepare the toughest conversations of your life. We are about to unlock the next level potential of this AI. Trust me, your mind is about to be blown. Today, we're on a mission to change how you see artificial intelligence. We're not just scratching the surface. We're going deep into the most insane and creative uses I've ever seen. Forget asking simple questions. Turn ChatGPT into your personal lawyer, your business consultant, your secret weapon for productivity. Each of these 21 tricks is a superpower you can use today for free. This isn't just another tech video. This is a masterclass in AI domination. This will be the most valuable video you watch all year. We'll show you step-by-step how to get an unfair advantage. You might subscribe before hack number 10. Ready to level up your life with AI? Because the ultimate ChatGPT challenge begins now. All right, hack number 1. Have you ever been handed a giant, scary legal document? It's filled with long, complicated sentences. Words like heretofore, indemnify, and a million other things that make no sense. You probably just scroll to the bottom and click, I agree. Lawyers charge hundreds of dollars per hour just to translate this stuff for you. Well, not anymore. With this hack, you're about to save a fortune. We're turning ChatGPT into your personal, on-demand, plain English converter. All you have to do is copy that confusing block of text from your contract and paste it directly into ChatGPT. The AI will instantly get to work breaking down every single complicated sentence into language anyone can understand. You're about to buy a house and you get a 50-page mortgage agreement. Instead of paying a lawyer $1,000, paste the whole thing into ChatGPT, section by section. You can now understand exactly what you're agreeing to, whether it's a new job contract or the terms for a new app you're downloading. This trick works for anything. Taking knowledge that was once locked away behind expensive experts and complicated jargon and making it accessible to absolutely everyone. Let's go to the next one. Okay, coming in hot with hack number 2, which is a total game changer for anyone who works in a company. Welcome to the policy simplifier. Get the text of that company policy and feed it to ChatGPT. Summarize this workplace policy into 5 key bullet points that I absolutely must know to avoid getting into trouble. Or even better, create a simple list of do's and don'ts based on this document. Instead of a wall of text that would take you 3 hours to read, ChatGPT gives you a beautiful, simple summary. You can even ask it follow-up questions. This isn't just for employees, this is a superpower for managers and business owners too. You can find a template online, but instead of just using it blindly, you can ask ChatGPT to simplify it and customize it for your specific business. All right, for our third insane ChatGPT hack, we are turning this AI into the ultimate study coach. Imagine you've just spent 8 hours cramming for a biology final. Your brain is fried and you don't know if you retained anything. We're going to use TeachBack. Explain concepts in your own words. Science shows it locks info into your brain and ChatGPT is your perfect, tireless student. Open ChatGPT and tell it, I'm studying cellular respiration. I'm going to explain the Krebs cycle to you. Act like you're a 10th grader who knows nothing. Ask me questions if I'm unclear or wrong. This is game-changing. An active learning partner, 24/7. Not just reciting facts, you must genuinely understand to teach. As you explain, ChatGPT will jump in with questions like, wait, what did you mean by electron transport chain? Can you explain that in a simpler way? You mentioned ATP, what is its actual function in the cell? They force you to find gaps in your knowledge, like a personal trainer for your brain. For the final boss level, ask ChatGPT to quiz you on what you taught it. It's an insane feedback loop. You teach, you get questioned, you clarify, you get tested. Forget flashcards. This is the future of studying. Okay, this next ChatGPT hack is for anyone who has ever dreaded a difficult conversation. These moments are super high stakes. One wrong word can blow the whole thing up. So what if you could practice that conversation 10, 20, or even 100 times before it actually happens? I challenged my friend Chandler to use this to prepare for asking for a raise. I gave him this prompt. Act as my boss, who is named Susan. This lets you practice navigating initial objections and pushback in a totally safe environment. You can try out 100 different approaches. And this isn't just for work. You can use this for personal conversations too. This is an absolute life hack. For our 5th hack, we're doing something a little different. A lot of people want to journal, to organize their thoughts, track their goals, or just get things off their chest. But staring at a blank page can be incredibly intimidating. Well, we're about to solve that problem forever by turning ChatGPT into the world's best journaling buddy. It never gets tired of listening. It can help you dig deeper into your own thoughts, and it can give you the exact prompt you need to get the words flowing. You can even use it to track your progress over time. This isn't just journaling, it's leveling up your self-awareness. All right, for our next insane ChatGPT hack, we are going to make the entire internet a better place for literally millions of people. We're about to show you how ChatGPT can become your ultimate accessibility sidekick, and it costs you absolutely nothing. Using ChatGPT to generate captions and alt text is one of the easiest and most impactful things you can do to contribute to a more accessible web. I am going to save you literally hundreds of hours of your life with this next hack. For a lot of people, it's fighting with a spreadsheet. ChatGPT is now your personal spreadsheet wizard. Describe what you want in plain English. Anyone defeated by a spreadsheet. You're no longer limited by formula knowledge, only by imagination. This isn't just a hack, it's a superpower. Okay, this next hack sounds like something out of a science fiction movie. We're going to use ChatGPT to predict the future. It's called a Pre-Mortem, and it's about to save you from making catastrophic mistakes. Once you have this list of potential disasters, you're no longer flying blind. We're talking about making the world a fairer place, one job post at a time. By using ChatGPT to scrub your job posts, you're not just creating a more equitable hiring process. You're giving your company a massive competitive advantage. We'll take one piece of content and rewrite it for completely different people with a few clicks. For this challenge, we're going to turn that chaos into crystal clear action. We are going to take a simple idea and turn it into a full-blown professional storyboard and shot list. But what happens if your team speaks 10 different languages? Well, we're about to show you how ChatGPT can become the ultimate universal translator for safety. Well, for hack number 14, we are going to solve that problem forever. We are going to turn you into a data genius, even if you've never understood a chart in your life. This next ChatGPT hack is the ultimate cure for blank page syndrome. We're going to show you a two-step ChatGPT process that translates and makes text easy for native speakers to read. I'm talking about the ultimate glow-up for your writing. But what if I told you you could generate a complete, detailed event plan for literally anything in less time than it takes to order a pizza? All right, for our 20th insane ChatGPT hack, we are literally about to save teachers hundreds of hours of work. We are going to create the ultimate ethics and privacy quick reference card. And that is it. 21 insane ChatGPT hacks that will literally change the way you work, study, create. We've turned complex legal documents into simple English, planned entire events, and created a professional ethics guide in less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. We've seen how this incredible AI can be your study coach, your scriptwriter, your data analyst, and even your journaling buddy. The power of this tool is absolutely crazy. And the best part is, we are just scratching the surface of what's possible. The only limit is your own imagination. So go ahead, open up ChatGPT and start experimenting with these prompts. If you learned even one new trick today that blew your mind, please do me a huge favor and smash that like button until it turns blue. Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing AI tips. We have so many more insane ideas coming your way, and you are not going to want to miss a single one. Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.